Iran war is not just shaking the West Asia, it is putting billions of dollars of Chinese investments at risk. For years, China quietly built deep economic ties across the region, from oil deals in Iran to ports in the UAE and Israel. From electric vehicles and the steel exports to renewable energy projects, the West Asia became one of China's fastest growing markets. In fact, Chinese exports to the region grew almost twice as fast as its exports to the rest of the world last year. Chinese companies have invested nearly $90 billion in West Asia since 2019. But now the war threatens to disrupt the entire network. Chinese companies are deeply embedded across the region. They have financed ports, refineries, pipelines, desalination plants, and energy projects. Chinese tech giants like Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent have major operations in Dubai. Chinese banks are funding massive LNG projects in Qatar. Chinese investors also operate terminals at Haifa port in Israel and Khalifa port in the UAE. But as missiles and drones hit ports, energy facilities, and infrastructure, these investments are suddenly exposed. So today the question is bigger than the geopolitics. Iran was part of the Chinese-Russian sphere of influence, but why is China's response so different? What is your assessment?
I think another important fact or kind of context to acknowledge here is that there is a question of capability at play.
Okay.
And the reason why Chinese response to Iran Venezuela or any other similar conflict that can play out in the future is that there is limited capability and not just intent. And of course Wang Yi or the foreign or the Chinese foreign ministry's decision to assign a quote unquote special envoy for mediation in the Middle East, all of these are attempts at the Chinese explaining that the limited role that we want to play in West Asia is that of a mediator. And the same thing played out when there was a Saudi deal that was struck in the past. That normalization was something, again, the Chinese said that they had a
You
role
know,
to
this is
play.
rich coming from China, where it is believed that the power flows from the barrel of the gun. For them to say that they only want to play mediators in West Asia, I really don't know what to say.
Domestically, sure. Domestically, the PLA is the army's party, and power flows from the barrel of a gun. And which is why any issue that would be deemed as pertinent to domestic and national security, you will see China responding much too much aggressively. But for all the pomp and show of their military might, and of course all the arms sales that they think builds their defense capacity in one way or the other, the response in some of these conflicts you're going to see is going to be very, very muted.